EDO 2020. Royal Fada don bless Obaseki and he called for peaceful elections for Edo State. Royal Fada of Igara, wey dey Akoko Edo local government area for Edo State, His Royal Highness Emmanuel Zaiki don tell Edo youths to remove hand for anything wey no go promote peace for Edo State governorship elections.
I wish to advise that you should not be discouraged in advising our youth against thuggery and political violence, because the era of political thuggery and bitterness are gone. You are welcome.
He talked this one when he received PDP candidates Governor Godwin Obaseki and the party campaign team for him palace as them come seek for royal blessings for him re-election. The Royal Father come thank Governor Godwin Obaseki for the ogbonge deve wey him administration don carry enter Edo State since he began govern the state.
Thank you so much for the proactive action you took at the onset of this COVID-19 in Edo State. Please let us try as much as possible to advise our party members to be very civil and be committed to free and fair elections, because violence is not a respectance of any person. However, we want to also attest to the prompt salary payment to workers in Edo State and pension salary to pensioners, which is very, very regular. We pray that at the time you get to that place, you will also continue with that. We have been feeling the impact of your government. We want to feel it more, because to whom much is given, much is required. We want to give you more so that we will require more from you. Yes.
Governor Godwin Obaseki tell the Royal Father say him waka come in palace to inform him of a re-election bid. The way can see Governor talk say this one will help him carry more deve entire Edo State to better Edo people life.
One of the critical reasons why I believe that we must continue, why I'm asking for another term in office, is that the world has changed. Nigeria has changed. If we thought the reforms we had done was significant, that has paled. It will pale into nothing in the next several years. Because with COVID-19, Nigeria is going through a phase that it has never gone through since it was created. That is why you need real leaders. You need strong leadership. You need leadership that is concerned about the people. Leadership that can connect with the people, particularly at the grassroots level. The next several years, for us to survive as a country, we need to go back to the basics. Agriculture, food production now has to be taken seriously. So, Your Royal Highnesses, we are here today to ask your blessings, to assure you that the experience we have gathered in the last 4 years have been so unique that we need to build on that experience. Anybody who comes or who is pretending that they want to come into office today do not have the experience to lead this state for the next 4 years. Because even though we have acquired experience over the last 4 years, it is just the beginning. Because what we will see in the next 4 years will be radically different from what we have ever seen in our lives.
This one are the ogbonge informative carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say Otaru of Igara, His Royal Highness Emmanuel Zaiki don bless Obaseki and he called for peaceful elections for Edo State. Make una sabi say na TMC TV, na carry this ogbonge informate they come give una. My name na Edogogo Edolego.